Hello children, today in this video we are going to do the exercise 5.4 because we have not done this exercise earlier. So children, in this exercise mainly we will do the multiplication and division, but you will not forget about the BODMAS. BODMAS is also applicable in this exercise. So first question is multiply. Multiply 2 by 7 into 3 by 4. In this we can cancel the terms from the numerator and the denominator. So 2 is in numerator and 4 is in denominator. We can cancel this. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 1 into 3 will be 3 and 7 into 2 will be 14. Always multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 1 3 is a 3 and 7 2 is a 14. Second part children, 3 into 7 into 14 by 4. So 3 into 7 into 14 by 4. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14 and 3 twos are 6. So 4 into 1 is equals to 4. Further we can cancel 6 and 4 with a table of 2. So 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. So we can cancel 3 and 2 will come. Children, in the previous videos I have told you what is improper fraction. Improper fraction is in which the numerator is greater than the denominator. So if you will see this, it is the improper fraction. Always convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. This also I have told you how to convert. So you can check it out from there. So 3 by 2 means 1, 1 by 2. Next children, third question easily you can do. This will be your homework, and whatever questions I will give you homework, that questions pictures I will send you on your WhatsApp group. So you can check it out from there. Fourth part of this question, 4 by 5 into 5 by 7. Convert this mixed fraction into improper. It will be 9 by 5 into 5 by 7. 5 and 5 cancel. 9 by 7 will be the answer. So convert this improper into mixed, which is equals to 1, 2 by 7. Next, fifth question also you can do by yourself. Sixth question, 2 by 7 into 3 by 4 into 7 by 8. 7 and 7 will be cancelled. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So answer will be 3 by 16. Next children, seventh part of the same question, 3 1 by 4 into 1 2 by 7 into 7 by 5. So it will be 3 fours are 12 plus 1, 13 by 4. 7 ones are 7 plus 2. It will be 9 by 7 into 7 by 5. 7 7 cancel. 13 into 9 117 and 5 into 4 is equals to 20. This is also improper fraction. Convert it into mixed fraction. 5 17 by 20. Next children, question number 2, first part. In this divide sign is there. So whenever divide sign is there, always what we have to do, change this divide into multiply, and the next term will be reciprocated. We have to take the reciprocal of the next term. So it will be 2 by 3, divide will be changed into multiply, and 1 by 9, it will be the 9 by 1. We have taken the reciprocal. Cancel the terms, 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9 and 2 3s are 6 will come. Second part of the same question, you can do it easily. Third part, 2 by 3 divided by 2, 1 by 7. So change this mixed fraction into improper. 11 by 3 divided by 15 by 7. 11 by 3 divide will be changed into multiply. 7 by 15. So what will be our answer? 77 by 45. Change this into mixed fraction. It will be 132 by 45. Fourth part also you can do it easily. Fifth part, 3 2 by 5 into 1 3 by 7 into 14 by 5. So change this mixed fraction into improper. 17 by 5 into 10 by 7 into 14 by 5. 5 and 10 can be cancelled. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 7 and 14 can be cancelled. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So what we are left with? 17 into 2 into 2 and down it will be 5. 68 by 5 and mixed fraction will be 13 3 by 5. Now children, next is simplify. In the simplify, always keep BODMAS in your mind, because with the help of BODMAS only we will solve this question 3, 4 and 5. So BODMAS means bracket. First of all we will solve the bracket, then off, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So first part is 1 by 4 into 2, 1 by 5 divided by 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2. So children, 1 by 4, change this mix into improper. 11 by 5, divide sign will be changed into multiply, and we have to take the reciprocal of this. 5 by 3 plus 1 by 2. 5 and 5 cancel. 11 by 4 3s are 12 plus 1 by 2. Whenever plus sign is there, what we have to take? LCM. In the previous exercise we have done this. So 12 and 2 LCM is 12. 12 divided by 1, 1. 12 divided by 12, it is 1. 1 into 11 is 11. 12 divided by 2, 6. 6 into 1 is 6. So 11 plus 6 is how much? 17 by 12. So when you will change this into mixed fraction, it will be 1 5 by 12. Similar is the second question that you can do. Third, 1 by 5 of 2 1 by 7 divided by 2 3 by 4 minus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 7. So change this mixed fraction into improper. 6 by 5 of means multiply. 15 by 7 divide 11 by 4 minus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 7. So cancel the terms. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. Here it will be 6 3s are 18 by 7. Divide will be changed into multiply and take the reciprocal of this 4 by 11. Minus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 7. Next children, multiply 18 and 4. It will be 72. 7 into 11, it will be 77. Minus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 7. So take the LCM. 77, 2 and 7. LCM will be 154. So 154 divided by 77, it will be 2. So 2 into 72, 144. 154 divided by 2, it will be 77. 77 into 3, 231. And 154 divided by 7 is equals to 11. 154 divided by 7, it will be 22. So 22 into 5 is equals to 110. So add them. 144 plus 110, 254 minus 231 divided by 154. So answer will be, when you will subtract, 23 by 154. Next children, fourth part, 3 by 7 divided by 5 by 7 plus 1, 1 by 2 of 5 by 6. So 3 by 7, change divide into multiply, 7 by 5, reciprocal of this, plus 3 by 2 of means multiply, 5 by 6. So here we are left with 3 by 5 plus 3 by 2. Take the LCM of 5 and 2, it will be 10, and here 6 plus 15 into 5 by 6. So 21 by 10 into 5 by 6, when you will cut them, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. And with the table of 3 also you can cancel 6 2s and 6 7s. 3 2s and 3 7s. So 7 by 4 will be our answer. Change this into mixed fraction. Fifth and sixth part you can do it easily children. Next is fourth part. Again simplify. 6 plus 2 by 3 minus 7 by 9. So 6 plus, take the LCM over here. LCM is 9. 6 minus 7, which is equals to 6 plus minus 1 by 9. Now children, plus minus minus. So 6 minus 1 by 9. Take the LCM. 9 will be the LCM. 9 divided by 1, 9. 9 into 6, 54. And 9 divided by 9, 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So 54 minus 1 is equal to 53 by 9. Change this into mixed fraction, which is 5 8 by 9. So second part is also similar. Third part of the same question. 2 by 5 plus 2, 1 by 15 divided by 4 by 5 minus 3 by 10 plus 2, 4 by 5. So 2 by 5 and change this into improper, 31 by 15 divided by 4 by 5 minus 3 by 10 plus 14 by 5. Take the LCM over here. 15 is the LCM, 6 plus 31. Here LCM will be 10, 8 minus 3 plus 28. First of all, add the positive terms. 36 minus 3 by 10, and here it will be 37 by 15. So 37 by 15, divide will be changed into multiply. We will reciprocate it, 10 by 33, and you can cancel with a table of 5, 2 by 3. So what we will get? 74 by 99. Fourth part, 2 by 7 plus 2, 1 by 14 of 4 by 5 divided by 2 by 10 plus 1 by 1, 3 by 5. So 2 by 7 plus 29 by 14 will come when you will change this improper into mixed, of 4 by 5, change divide into multiply, 10 by 2 plus 8 by 5. So take the LCM, 7 and 14. Here it will be 4 plus 29. Of means multiply, 4 will be left over here after cutting, 4 by 1 plus 8 by 5. So 33 by 14 into, take the LCM 5, 20 plus 8. 33 by 14 into 28 by 5. 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are. So 33 into 2 is 66 by 5. When you will this change into mixed fraction, it will be 13 5s are 65 and here 1 will come. 65 plus 1 is 66. Children, fifth and sixth part you can do it easily. Next is question number 5. It is also similar to this. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. So take the LCM over here. You will get 4 plus 3 by 12 divided by 3 minus 2 by 12. So change this divide sign into multiply. 12 by 1. You can cancel 12 and 7 will be the answer. Second part is easy. This you can do. Third part. 11 by 9 divided by 22 by 3. Off means into 15 by 8. So cancel the terms. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15 and this also you can cancel. So we are left with 11 by 9 divided by 55 by 4. 11 by 9 divide change into multiply. 4 by 55. Cancel the terms. You will get 4 by 45. Fourth part is similar to this. You can do and fifth also. Sixth question, children. 2 by 3 of 3 by 7 divided by 3 by 5 minus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 4. So first of all, solve this. 2 by 3 into 3 by 7. This will be cancelled. 2 by 7 divided by, take the LCM, 18 minus 5 by 13. 18 minus 5 is 13 by 30. And here also I have taken the LCM. You will get 9 by 20. Change this divide into multiply and 30 by 13 will come. 2 by 7 into 30 by 13 plus 9 by 20. So nothing can be cancelled. So 60 by 91 plus 9 by 20. LCM will be 1820. Here it will be 1200 plus 819. So 2019 divided by 1820 and here mixed fraction 199 by 1820. Next, children, seventh part of this question. It is 2 by 5 of 3 by 7 minus 1 by 6 of 3 by 5 plus 1 by 14 of 2 by 5. So off means multiply. First of all, change all these offs into multiply and cancel the terms. In the second and the third bracket you can cancel the terms. So we are left with 6 by 35 minus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 35. Take the LCM. 12 minus 7 plus 2 will come. When you will solve them, you will get 7 by 70 which is equals to 1 by 10. Eighth question, children. 3 2 by 4 divided by 3 by 1 minus 1 by 4 plus 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 5. So here you can change this into mixed fraction into improper fraction. You will get 14 by 4 divided by 12 minus 1 by 4 plus 2 by 5 divided by 6 by 5. So 14 by 4 divided by 12 minus 1 it is equals to 11. 11 by 4 plus 2 by 5 into 5 by 6. Cancel the terms. We will left with 14 by 4 into 4 by 11 plus 1 by 3. 4 and 4 can be cancelled. 14 by 11 plus 1 by 3. Take the LCM and you can solve it. Next, children, last question of this exercise. It will be 4 2 by 3 divided by 3 minus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 5 of 5 by 6. So 14 by 3 divided by 9 minus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 5 into 5 by 6. 5 and 5 cancel, 2 and 6 also cancel. So 14 by 3 divided by 8 by 3 plus 1 by 3. This can be changed. Change divide into multiply. This will be reciprocal. So plus 1 by 3. You can cancel this with a table of 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14. So here 3 and 3 will be cancelled. 7 plus by 4 plus 1 by 3. Take the LCM. 12 is the LCM. So you will get 21 plus 4, 25 by 12, and this you can change into mixed fraction. So children, by this we have almost completed our 5.4 exercise. Questions which I have given you homework, that I will send you the photograph of that questions in your WhatsApp group. Last two questions we will do in the next video. Thank you, children.